So, good morning everyone. We are going to start the journal entries of dissolution chapter. They are starting from illustration number 32. Have a look on illustration 32. Give the necessary journal entries in the following alternative cases. Three journal entries have been given to you. First is बच्चे realization expenses amounting to rupees 500. If you remember, when we prepared the realization account, we used to pay realization expenses from the debit side. Means to bank account. So in this entry we will record realization account debit to bank account. Realization account debit to bank account. Expenses paid by firm. 500 rupees. Any doubt bache? If we are recording anything on the debit side of realization, we will just debit the realization account. Realization account debit to bank because we have paid the expenses ourselves. Second is बच्चे realization expenses paid by the firm to 500 rupees and the partner has to bear the realization expenses. But we have paid realization expenses. That means we have paid means we will credit the bank. Rupees 500. But that was not to be borne by us. It was to be borne by the partner. So partner's capital account will be debited. We will charge this money from partner. If we have paid, then realization to bank. If we have paid, means we have just credited the money to bank, 500 rupees. But it was to be borne by the partner. So partner's capital account will be debited. We will take this money from partner. Expenses paid by firm on behalf of partner. On behalf of partner. On behalf of partner. Expenses we have paid, but we have paid on behalf of a partner. Third entry open. A. One of the partner who was to bear all the realization expenses for which he was given a commission of 2% of net cash realized from dissolution. A. One of the partner, we have to give him, we have to give him the realization expenses and we have to give him commission 2% on the assets realized, and assets realized 25,000 and we have to pay the liabilities 5,000. So bache, three entries we are going to pass here now. How? First we have realized the assets. Bank account debit. Debit what comes in bank account is coming. Assets are going through realization account. Asset realized. We have sold the assets of rupees 25,000. So entry will become bank to realization. Debit what comes in, money is coming and we are selling the assets through realization account. So this will be the journal entry for selling of assets. We have realized the assets. Second, in this also we have to do that we have to make the payment of 5,000 to liabilities. So for paying the liabilities, we will pay through realization account. Just the opposite entry. Realization account debit to bank account. Realization account debit to bank account. Liabilities paid off. 5,000. This was the information given to you that you have realized assets worth rupees 25,000 and you have paid the liabilities worth rupees 5,000. Now, lastly, you have to give something to A, and for giving, you will pass a journal entry realization account debit to A's capital account. A's capital account. Commission paid to A. They said that all the expenses will be borne by A. So realization to A, he will pay all the expenses, and for that he will get commission. He will get commission for that. So we will pass journal entry for giving the commission realization to A's capital. And on which amount he has to give 2%? Net cash realized. 2% of net cash realized. Now, what is net cash realized? Net cash realized means 25,000 was the amount realized minus 5,000 for the liabilities. 20,000 is the amount which is net realized, and 2% of this will be 400. Got my point, bache? These were the three journal entries which was given in the question. If we have paid the expenses, we will write realization to bank. If partner has to pay, but we have paid to bank, partner to bank. And if we have to make payment of commission to partner for bearing the expenses, first of all, if it is given in the question that you have realized assets, you will write bank to realization. You have make the payment of liabilities, you will write realization to bank. Then for giving commission, you will write realization to partner. And how you have calculated the commission? Net cash realized, asset realized minus payment of liability, net cash realized and 2% of that. This was your question number 32. So bache, illustration number 36. Ankit, Bobby and Karthik were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 4:3:3. Three partners are there and their ratio is 4:3:3. The firm was dissolved on 31st March 2018. Past necessary journal entries for the following transactions after various assets other than cash and bank and third party liabilities had been transferred to realization account. They have already transferred all the assets and liability to realization account. Now four journal entries are given to you. First is the firm had stock of rupees 80,000. Ankit took over 50% of the stock at a discount of 20% while the remaining stock was sold off at a profit of 30%. So you have received bache money of the stock 50%. So debit what comes in bank account debit, Ankit's capital account debit. If a partner will take the asset, his capital account will be debited. And to realization account, you have to write stock realized and taken by Ankit. Some part of asset is taken by the partner and some part we have sold to the open market. So what was the value of the asset? It was 80,000. You have to do it in rough, you have to do the calculation that the stock's value was rupees 80,000. So what happened to this 80,000? 50% took by Ankit. Suppose 50 and 50. 40,000. 40,000 we have sold in the market. 50% took by Ankit and he had took it at 20% discount. 20% of 40,000 will be 8,000. 20,000 of 40,000 will be 8,000. Total 32,000. It will be written here in Ankit's column. 32,000. And what we have sold in the open market, we have sold it on a profit of 30%. 30% of 40,000 will be 12,000. We have sold it at 52,000. So total realization will be created with 52 and 32, 84,000. 80,000 was the cost of stock. 50% taken by Ankit. 50% we have sold in the open market. Ankit have taken it on a discount of 20% and open market we have sold on a profit of 30%. So bank 52,000, Ankit 32,000 and to realization 84,000. This was the first journal entry. Now second बच्चे, a liability under a suit for damages included in creditors was settled at 32,000 as against only 13,000 provided in the books. Beta, the original value of the liability was 13, but we have settled it at 32,000. Total creditors of the firm were 50,000. So we have to make the payment of creditors now. One entry will be there only. Realization account debit to bank account. Whenever we are going to pay any liability, we have to make the payment liability paid by firm. We will write realization to bank. Realization account debit to bank account. So how much was the amount? Total creditors worth rupees 50,000. And it was included 13,000 the liability which was settled at 32,000. Means we have paid 32,000 here. And it was costing only 13,000. So 50 out of 50 we have paid 13. Whatever we have paid we have written in bank column. So remaining we have to calculate 50 minus 13. It will be 37. 32 we have paid to the person who was asking for 13,000. But it was a case pending in the court. It was a suit. So court have settled it at 32,000. The actual we have recorded 13, but we was compelled to pay 32,000. So 50 minus 13, 37 we have to pay to other persons, and 32 we have to pay to this person only. Total we have paid 32 plus 37, 69,000. Realization account debit to bank. If we are making payment, we used to record on the debit side. Okay, bache, of realization account. Third journal entry, bache. Bobby's sister's loan 20,000 was paid along with interest of 2,000. So Bobby's sister, Bobby was a partner and his sister is outsider for us. Realization account debit to bank account. Outside loan paid. How much? Total beta 22 we have paid. 20,000 was the amount of loan and 2,000 was the interest account. Last entry bache, Karthik's loan we have paid. 12,000 was settled at 12,500. So earlier the liability was 12,000 but we have paid 500 more. Karthik's loan we have paid, he was a partner and his loan was 12,000. But we have paid 12,500. So whenever there will be any increase in the liability we have paid, we will write through realization account debit. If we are paying outside person's loan, then we will write realization to bank. If partner's loan to bank. And if we have made the payment more, we will write realization.